Andy Gemao at Genmar Bragays makakalaban ng team ni Vic Manuel at Jackson Corpuz.
Shot! Pass corner, 3-pointer by Vic Manuel. There's an offensive foul called. Fader.
Ang lulupit ng mga pasa ni Bragays
Genmar Bragays. To Janko Cabao. Basket! Up by...
at ang inaabangan na salpukan ng rivalry ni na Bragays versus Tolentino. Pinainit ng dalawa ang buong arena.
Mainit ni Genmar at Tolentino. Ang team.
Inaras naman ni Tolentino si Gemao sa depensa. Nagkagulo na. Sinugod ni coach si Ref. Nanampal ng player si Jackson Corpuz. Nako po, gulo ito. Na-shock si Andy Gemao sa gulo. Ganito daw pala ka-intense ang ligang labas sa Pilipinas. Humantong pa sa crazy ending sa sobrang dikit na laban. Tara at panoodin natin ang full game highlights.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
Jump ball, first possession. Right. Good defense by CM Farm. Ayun, yung mismatch is trapped there. Willow Lingo na libre. Bang! Willow. So, Concepcion against John Corcabahog. Bright asking for the ball. In the face. Cross pass to John Corcabahog. Attack. Ayan, nice pass by John Cor to Landres Sancho. By 1 point. Dikit lang po ang laban. Mark Nonoy humarurot. Pass to John Corcabahog. Cross pass to Willow Lingo. Back to Nasis. Oh, rebound. Pass to Landres Sancho. Side step and basket count. Mintes pa rin. Eto na. There's a steal. Landres Sancho. Transition play. Genmar. 3-pointer. No good. Mark Nonoy. Concepcion na libre. Gina-atake sa Concepcion. Labas muna. Willow Lingo. Pang 5. Yes, sir! 3 out. Dribbling. Cross pass to Genmar. Attacks. Behind the back pass to Landres Sancho. Basket count. Willow Lingo. Lingo. Mainit for CM Farm. Long 3. Bam! Oh my! Willow Lingo. Genmar Bragays. So John Corcabao. Basket count! Attacks Villarosa. Faking the pass. Steal by Tolentino. And a steal. Tolentino down. Ball on the ground. Grabe yung crowd. Talaga. Pinapainit ni Genmar at Tolentino ang team by Genmar. So, Tempra to Sancho. And Sancho scored! Napoles. And there's an offensive foul called. So, Vic Manuel. Offensive rebound by Team Tempra. Genmar. Sancho, offensive rebound. And score! Right. Tolentino, cross pass, corner, 3-pointer by Vic Manuel. Pasok yan. Genmar, attack, basket count! Oh my God! Villarosa, offensive rebound by Tolentino. Scored! Ayun na! Bang! Miss, another offensive rebound by Bright. Villarosa attack. Finds Tolentino and scored! Tolentino attack, suwerte. Kick out pass to Villarosa. Force the shot. Fouled by Gimao. Lingo. Andy Gimao. 4-3. Bang! Andy. To Gab Dagangon. Vic Manuel in the high post. Attack. Tempra. In traffic. Got double team. Nakalusot and scored. Andy Gimao. Harassed by Tolentino. Pass to Tempra. Suerte! Bang! Napakas... Andy Gimao. Drop pass to Landres Sancho. May Melencio. Vic Manuel. Dagangon, 3-pointer. 1 ang ating score. Mark Nonoy, spinning up. Takes the contact. La. Rebound by Bright. Ito, transition play. Concepcion. And scored. Pero nahabol yan ni Bright. Jenmar Bragaez. Fence up. Rebound! What a shot! Sanggalang attacking. And the reverse is good for Concepcion. Vader is good. O yun. Manso floater. His signature move. Willow Lingo far sa 3. Bang! Double digit lead. Ayun, sinugod na po ng coaching staff ng WB Sofia ang referee. Ayan na. I'm short. Kalo nagmamadali. Kalo sidestep. And score for WB. Willow Lingo. Extra pass to Agbong. Jumper is good for Agbong. Kalo. Attack Manso. Pasa gitna. Sanggalang scored. John Corcabao spinning. Scoop layup is good. Corpus. 3-pointer. Kalo. Against. Got double team. A steal. Villarosa. Fast break play. Kalo. Lingo. Kalo crossover. 3-pointer. Kalo. 3-pointer for the lead. Balik na lamangan sa CM Farm Basketball by 1 point. Ayun. Nagkakainitan si Jack Corpus and Tempra. Kikita ba? Ayun oh. Willow Lingo. Mainit pa ba? Rebound by Nonoy. To Kalo. Scoop layup. Counter steal. Mark Nonoy. Fast break play. John Corcabahog. Layup is good. Siya. To Suerte. Extra pass. Aliares. Scoop layup. Noy. Concepcion. Far sa 3. Nakapasok kanyang kasama. Kobe Palencia. Floater. 2. Almost a steal. Concepcion attack against Suerte and scored. Three-pointer. Time to shoot. Concepcion. Nakalusot. Floater. Pasok yan. Andy Himaw. Far sa 3. And much needed for rebound by Concepcion. Touchdown pass to Nonoy. Reverse. Concepcion. Three-pointer for Kalo. Stop and pop. Double digit. Nonoy. Step back. Three-pointer. Pasok yun. 13-point lead for WB Sofia. Yun yung opening. Pasok. Willow Lingo again. Pasok yan. Manso. Nice pass. Spike Sorrella. Sa gitna. Cut by Napoles Mintes. Pass break play. Manso. To Jenmar Bragaez. Scored. Kalo. Drop pass to Bright. Basket count. Mike Sorrella to Manso sa corner. 3-pointer. Yes, sir. Mike Sorrella. Long 3. Wala. Willow Lingo. Fast break play. Mike Sorrella. Oh, nagmamadali. Pass to Bragaez. Ball loose. Recovered by Willow Lingo. Jenmar Bragaez. Balik kay Manso. Drive. Balik kay Bragaez. Step back. Three-pointer. And Sancho scored! May baba ang bola against Manso. Melencio down at tinawagan ng foul. Willow Lingo. Catch and shoot. Put back by Mike Sorella! Denmar. Calo. Fader. No good. Bright offensive rebound. Bright. Against Sancho. Bright. Tinapon ang bola. Rebound by Mike Sorella. Inbounded. Jenmar Bragaez. 22 seconds. Jenmar. Drop pass. Sancho. No good. Jenmar Bragaez. Rebound. Willow Lingo. Wala pa rin. Sancho. Tomaso. 4-3. Wala pa rin. .8 seconds. Grabe yung attempt. Concepcion. Pasok. 2 out of 2. 6-point lead. 4.8 seconds. Willow Lingo. And that's it. Winner, WB Sopea, 91-86. Winner, WB Sopea.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time players make big time plays. Woo!